Morning everyone, it's Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. Just thought I'd do a quick video for you this morning on how to propagate acers from stem cuttings. As we're into May, you can still do softwood cuttings, and the Acer behind me is what I'm going to propagate. So it is Acer palmatum Atropurpureum, so it will propagate really easily. What I would say is, if you're trying to do different varieties, then most varieties are weaker than straight Atropurpureum, so they are always grafted on Atropurpureum rootstock to give them their strength and vigour. So yeah, if you're going to graft your different varieties, they will be a weaker form than if you're grafting and if you're buying a already grown plant. But yeah, let me just show you how to do that. It's really simple. So softwood cuttings. So this is the tree. It's really gone crazy the last couple of years. So yeah, it's in perfectly the right spot for me. It is in a full sun position, so they're quite happy in that. But I'd like to get some more cuttings of it, so I can do some bonsai work and plant one in a shady position. So basically what we're looking for is sort of a nice strong stem that is no longer totally pliable. So that's suitable for your softwood cutting. So you can see most of this now is firmed up, and really I guess I'll be pruning back bits that are not totally wanted in order to do propagation work. It seems fairly astute to, obviously whilst you're doing your pruning, to use that as cutting material. So let's find a section that I don't want. Well, how about this piece? So we can do a nice prune there, and that gives us our propagation material. So next step is to make your cut. If I turn the secateurs that way, so you cut just below your leaf joints, whip off the leaves. That's too long a stem cutting, so then we can cut it just above the leaf joint, and that is fine. If you want to, you can remove the leaves. So I've already got moistened potting mixture. This is 50-50 of compost with John Innes soil. I've got hormone rooting powder, and what I'll do with this cutting, because let's try and do it, it's got too many leaves really, so that's how I've prepared it. Dip it in the compound, make your holes, dip it in the compound and firm it into the compost, and we continue to fill up the pot that way. So thanks for watching. Hope you found the video of interest, and please give it a try yourself. It's really easy, and you'll be able to bulk up your Acer numbers quite easily that way. If you've liked what I'm doing, then please send me a message or subscribe. Thanks a lot, and bye.